Hello everyone, this is Chef Tarun. Welcome to our Eat Special cooking segment. Today we are featuring everyone's favorite dish, which is Kunafa, but on a savory spin. So we are doing it Keema Kunafa pie. Everyone loves Kunafa, but this time we are taking it to a savory level. So before we go ahead, let's check out the ingredients. We have minced chicken, whole spices, coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, cumin powder, whole eggs, pickled red onions, Kataifi pastry, clarified butter, tomato paste, chopped onions, and ginger garlic paste. Let's start cooking. Kataifi pastry. This is roughly around 2 bowls. Make sure you shred them nicely. Clarified butter, around 4 tablespoons, but add it slowly by slowly. So the entire Kataifi pastry has been dressed in clarified butter. We are going to cook them on the pan. Let's start. So slowly by slowly, scatter it all around the pan. Roughly about 4 minutes on each side. So what I'm doing it here, I'm pressing it and rotating it so that it doesn't stick to the pan, and at the same time it gets flat from all directions. So it's time to flip it. Kunafa is ready. We are going to flip them with the help of our plate. So Kunafa is ready. Now we'll move to our next step. So we'll make our chicken keema. So we'll start with oil, about 2 tablespoons. Whole spices, bay leaf, around 2 cinnamon sticks, cardamom, and black pepper, 3-4 pieces. As soon as they start sprouting up, so I have added about 1 full onion finely chopped, and this is almost turned into golden brown color. It's time to add ginger garlic paste, about 1 teaspoon, coriander powder, 2 teaspoon, turmeric powder, half a teaspoon, red chili powder, 1 teaspoon, garam masala, just half teaspoon, cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. And we'll cook these spices. Now it's time to add our minced chicken. So this is about half a kg. Salt, 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. So the oil has come up, keema has cooked through. Now it's time to add some freshness, some fresh coriander, some fresh mint. Wow. So this is done. We will keep it covered. Let's make our sunny side up as a topping. So we'll take little oil, single egg, so our sunny side up is ready here. We have got Kunafa, chicken keema, spicy arrogant chicken keema, and put it on top. So what will happen here, The Kataifi pastry will soak all the juices of chicken keema, and when you're gonna bite it from the bottom, you'll have the same flavors. So this is done. Sunny side up. Some fresh mint leaves. And the final garnish, pickled red onions. So our keema kunafa pie is ready to serve. It's time to prepare our drink, so let's begin. What is it about mangoes that makes an ideal partner with any spicy flavors? Well, today's recipe is all about mango jalapeno lemonade. Sounds weird, right? It is going to be a perfect combination where it's going to be sweet, tart, refreshing and bit of spicy. This is a drink which everyone can love it, and if you love mangoes, I'm sure you should try this out. So let's check out the ingredients. We have fresh mango juice, soda water, fresh jalapenos, fresh mango and fresh lemon. So let's start preparing with fresh mango here. So we'll peel the mango. Now we will slice it from the side. So I've taken about 5. Some more mango, roughly chopped. Start with blender. Fresh jalapeno. We'll keep around 4 pieces for garnish and around 3-4 for spicy flavor for my drink. Fresh mango juice, around 200 ml. Soda water, 60 ml. Lemon, about a quarter. Let's blend it. We'll take out the glass. So our mango jalapeno lemonade. So let's pour this drink here. For the garnish, we have got slices of mango, jalapenos, get a small slit in between. So here we have mango jalapeno lemonade. It's sweet, tart, spicy and refreshing all at once. Those who are looking for ideal beverage, this is the one right here. So during this festive season, Kunafa holds a significant role in our celebrations. What we have right here on the table is the savory version of it. We call it Keema Kunafa pie, which is on a savory spin of crunchy kunafa. On the top of is the spicy arrogant keema, chicken keema topped up with the fried egg. And serve along with, we have got mango jalapeno lemonade, which is sweet, tart and refreshing all at once. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. May this festive season be at you and your family. Eid Mubarak to you and your loved ones. See you.